blazer that was decorated by tahok shells, a black skirt also decorated by tahok shells, and a headdress that was made of CD tape, and a coconut stick covered by a plastic with color with tahong shell as decoration. Once again, the crowd of Blue Carnation, candidate number 7.
Let's give it up for candidate number 8. Candidate number 8 is Miss Arceline Sangoyo Magnifico, 14 years of age. Representative from A.O.O., a student of Malintahan National High School. She's wearing a second pair of CDs, ketchup, once again, candidate number 8, Miss Arceline Sangoyo Magnifico.
For our candidate number 9, please welcome Jessa Elora. For her assembly wear, it is made of tanzans, alambre, spring, and newspaper. Once again, our candidate number 9, Jessa Elora.
Approaching candidate number 10, Jeraciel Rapulus. Jeraciel is wearing nirolyong papel na galing sa directory at ito po ay nakatikit sa karton, kartulina, mga lumang leaflets na dinikit naman sa sombrero at bag. Nagkasama sa dyaryo, isang perang pula na nilagyan man ng mga nirolyong papel. It was designed with plastic and artificial flower. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 10, Jeraciel Rapulus.
A round of applause for candidate number 11, Miss Hazel Ramos. For her eccentric wear, a colored black dress made of tissue paper with dry petals. Accessories made in dry petals too. Cap made of tissue paper with dry petals. Once again, a crowd of 80 Castro Street, Hazel Ramos.
Candidate number 12 is Miss Maria Monica Jeline Ramos. the bride of Santa Rita St. Jude subdivision. Flor de Lisa is wearing an abanico, glass mirror, feathers, leaves of coconut, and used clothes and wood. Ladies and gentlemen, our last but definitely not the least, candidate number 40, Flor de Lisa Zaragoza. Once again, our 14 lovely candidates and there is Cedric Junior. Hey.
Okay, that was eccentric wear competition.
Okay, partner, where are you?
Ito ako, partner.
Ayan, nalilito ako
On the
kung saan
left
ako
side
dadaan.
corner.
Nalilito ako kung saan ako dadaan sapagkat ang kanilang mga kasamutan ay talagang
Totoo nga,
bumabayway. Ay, dito pala ako sa...
Mga-recycle talaga sila.
Correct.
Kung titignan talaga natin, ang gagaling nila talagang mag-isip.
Kaya,
Yung mga creator ninyo. Palakpakan natin yung mga creator. Magaling talaga.
yan.
Okay, may we acknowledge the presence of our butihing punong barangay ng Malinta. Punong barangay, Popoy Hernandez.
Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi po,
Thank you
Kapitan.
for joining.
Happy Fiesta po.
Ay, nandun po, sir. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, baka po pwedeng pumasok po tayo dito. Ayan. Muli po,